Christina, and I'm back with this DIY. It can complete any fall look that you're going for, or even just something for your house just for fun. I really love the way that it turned out. And so basically, what you need is a plastic basket from the Dollar Tree, and we're going to jump right in. You're going to get a plastic basket from the Dollar Tree. They have them in blue and red and other colors that I saw. You're going to pick up some nautical rope from the Dollar Tree, and then you're going to pick up some chalky spray paint if you don't have some on hand already. And Walmart is always the cheapest with spray paint. They have reasonably priced spray paint, so I bought it for $4 at Walmart. They have a linen white and they have a antique white. So I did 2 layers on this basket. And let me just add, I was completely inspired by Belinda's video she uploaded about 2 weeks ago, and I'm gonna go ahead and link that below so you guys can catch that video and see how it'll inspire you guys. She's constantly inspiring me, so I love her videos. So you're going to take, you don't have to use these cutters. You can use regular scissors. It's not a thick basket where you can't use regular scissors. So make sure that it's equal on each side and get rid of that middle piece right there. See, and we've created a handle. And you're going to do the same thing for the other side. And it should be 3 on each side. So you're going to make sure it's equal and then cut that middle piece again. So I was inspired, like I said, by that basket, and I wanted it to make it more of a rustic farmhouse look. So this is where you're going to take the rope and you're going to wrap it around. Basically, you're going to use some glue from a glue gun, and you're just going to hold it down, hold it nice and tight, and you will repeat the same process for the other side. So when you're gluing the rope, make sure that you hold on tight, nice and tight, and you just squeeze it. I promise it'll stay. I know it's really stubborn because it's thick rope, but it'll definitely stay if you hold on to it once you're gluing it down and such. At this point, I did notice that I was having a little bit of patchy spots. Not too many spots, but things that I'm just a perfectionist at creating pieces and stuff that I love, that I went in and went in with a paintbrush and some chalk paint that I had on hand and just kind of covered those spots. And I love the way that it turned out because it almost gave it like this antique-y look. And I have to do a close-up for you guys because honestly, I love the way that this turned out. And so if you were spray painting it, do 3 layers instead of 2. If you were to go to Marshall's or Pottery Barn or, I don't know, West Elm, something like that, you'd pay at Marshall's for sure about, I don't know, about $8.99, $12. Pottery Barn, of course, you'd be paying a lot more, but so at this point, I had some scrapbook paper on hand, and I cut it and sized it to the size of the basket. This stuff is all optional. You don't have to add these pieces. It's just the way that I wanted to incorporate the look for fall in my home. And because I have that neutral farmhouse look, I went with a neutral tone. And then you better believe I did the Target dollar haul. I have to upload that video because the fall pieces that they had were really cute. And anybody who knows their dollar spot, that stuff flies off the shelf. I don't buy pieces that I know I'm not really going to use. I buy pieces that I know I'm going to incorporate into my decor. So don't go crazy and buying stuff because it'll just sit there. I did that. So I did that about 2 years ago and I regretted it because it sat there and I didn't know what to do with it. And then anyone who knows that this stuff flies off the shelf, you better believe Target opens at 8 a.m. Once I drop my kids off and season's in store for the dollar spot, I am at their door at 8 a.m. So this is how I come up on all these pieces. You got to be quick because, like I said, their stuff sells out so fast. And so here I'm just giving you different looks on what you can do and how you can create. That sequence pumpkin is at the 99-cent store. That is another haul that I need to show you guys because they had some great pieces on hand as well. I created this little coffee basket look. You can definitely do that as well. There's so many endless looks for this little basket. You can take it into your restroom. You can put it on your vanity. Whatever and however you'd like to incorporate it, please do. And send me pictures. I want to see how you guys do. That you are inspired to create any look featuring this basket because I was completely inspired by Belinda's video, and so hopefully